have I seen such generosity? Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah, fab.
Look, Ducky, we can buy matching turbans.
Hold it right there! You just can't hand out treasure to every Tom, Dick, and Mustafa.
Why not? Just 'cause you're a skinflint doesn't mean I can't buy a few thousand friends.
It is written, stick not thy nose into the business of others.
Hoo-wee, that'll grow hair on your chest. But seriously, I have the perfect job for a man with your abilities. Step right up and win a ruby. Hit the target and dunk the jump. 3 balls to a customer.
This is gonna be one long day. No, really, I used to turn into stuff all the time. This is me as Napoleon. This is me as a grape. Here I am as Hurricane Ethel. Oh, those were the days. Iago's given the city everything. Water, food, riches. And now this rain will turn the desert into a paradise. I guess he is a better genie than I was. Maybe he should keep my powers. Oh, where's the power to turn into a cockroach when you need it?
Another day, another miracle. Oh, what should I give my adoring public next? A water treatment plant or a 90-lane bowling alley? They'll be throwing roses at my feet by noon today. Ich bin ein Agrabanian.
You stupid parrot! Your stupid rain made your stupid rivers flood last night!
We lost our crops.
I lost my business! I lost my duck! Never mind.
Where the heck do these angry mobs get that rotten fruit that they're always throwing?